Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. You're gonna love these chocolate bombs that are full of chocolate with a thin layer of dough on the outside. For the dough, combine half a cup of warm water, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. Mix all the ingredients by adding the flour gradually. As the dough comes together, get your hand into the mix and start kneading. When the dough is ready, cover with cling film and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Before starting to shape the dough, preheat your oven to its maximum. Line an oven tray with parchment paper so nothing will stick to it and you will be able to keep your tray clean. After the dough has rested, place it on the countertop, then gently roll the dough between palms of your hands to form a rope. Cut the dough into 18 pieces with the help of a dough cutter or a knife. Roll the dough into walnut-sized pieces. Now take one of these pieces and press down with your fingertips until the dough has flattened and widened. Then roll out with a rolling pin into a thin circle. Widening the dough will be easy because of the oil we used. Place 1 tablespoon of chocolate spread in the center of the dough. Shape the dough into a ball by folding the edges so that they meet in the middle. While doing this, make sure you leave no space to stop the chocolate from flowing out during baking. You can cut the excess dough with kitchen scissors or you can just use your fingertips to pull. You can use any kind of chocolate spread, but I suggest you to leave it in the freezer just for a while before you start working with it, because when the chocolate spread is thicker, it's easier to work with. Once you start baking, reduce the oven temperature to 220 degrees and turn on the fan. Bake for 5 or 6 minutes. Don't leave the oven because they will be ready in a very short time. You can understand they are ready when you see the little spots on them, so you can take them out of the oven. Chocolate bombs are ready. Let them sit on the tray and cool a little before serving. Everyone who tries this dessert falls in love with it, so I hope you give it a try and enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching.